Hello guys, so today I will be showing on how to install a package and remove package, also updating existing package inside CentOS 7. We'll be using the terminal. I'm running CentOS 7 as you can see. So the first command is for installing a package. So we are using yum to install, update and remove a package. So the first command is yum install. For example, we want to install Mozilla Firefox web browser, Firefox, and then hit enter. It will be searching for a mirror to download the package. By the way, we will need a network connection to install a package, also update a package. So is this okay? Press Y and then enter. The size is 150 MB. It may take a while, depends on your internet connection. So I will just fast forward this video. So the download has finished, and now is the installing process. I'll be speeding this up. So now we have completed download the Firefox web browser using the simple command yum install Firefox. So now we will be updating the existing package inside our OS. So we use the command yum check update to see any update that contain inside this OS. So the system is finding a mirror to download the existing update. So this is the update that contain inside our OS. There are so many packages need to be updated. So we choose I choose the network manager to be updated. Use the same command sudo yum update, what's that, network manager. Oh, I think we can choose something else. LibreOffice. Okay, we choose LibreOffice. LibreOffice, is it true? The spelling is true. LibreOffice. So we can update it now. Yum update LibreOffice. So now it's finding a mirror. Oh, no package. Oh, there's no LibreOffice. I think the package name is wrong. So we stick with we choose the GCC. Yum update GCC. Okay, so the mirror has been found and the update is running. So the size is 39 megabyte. So hit Y and then enter. Y is for yes and N for no. We use yum update to update existing package only. We cannot update a package that is not exist in our OS. So the updating is running, the downloading is running now, and after the download there will be an installing process. So this is the verifying for the download, and now it's done. The GCC already been updated. So now we check back yum update. We check back yum check update if we can see GCC. Finding the mirror is depend on your network connection. If your network connection is fast, so the finding mirror will be fast. So we check back, or okay, there's no GCC because GCC already been updated. Alright, now number 3, we are removing existing package inside CentOS. So also using the yum, but we change yum remove Firefox, or we choose else. Yum remove I think can remove. Let's remove. So there's Firefox that we have recently installed. I think we can remove Concur. Okay. Concur. Am I right? Concur. Okay. Right. So now yum remove Concur. I forget to tell you guys that we need to be a root user. We need to be a root user before we use the yum command. The package manager, we need to be root. Press Y, enter. 51 megabyte. So the size of the Conqueror is 51 megabyte. We already have Firefox, so we can remove Conqueror. Conqueror also a web browser that install default by on CentOS 7. We can remove it because we don't use it. So now is the erasing process. Okay, verifying done. 14/14 completed. Conqueror already been removed. So today we've learned 3 types of command to install a package using yum install and package name, and then yum update, package name, and then yum remove, package name. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.